Hey, what's up guys, it's Mo here. In this video I'm going to bring you a quick little tutorial, quick and easy, on how to download Sony Vegas Pro 15. There's a few steps that you have to do. It's nothing complex. It's going to take you less than 5 minutes. It all depends on your internet connection. So I'm going to leave the link in the description. Go ahead and click it. Then it's going to bring you to this site. An ad might come up. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. So as long as you're in Upload Haven, you'll be fine. Go ahead and click on download now. I already downloaded there, but I'll download it again. I was just testing. So once it downloads, what you want to do is you want to save it into your desktop and open it in a folder, or decompress the file pretty much. So here it's a file. I click on download. Let me click on it again. So it tells you where do you want to put the file. So go ahead and click on desktop. You don't have to change the name or anything. So put save. It downloads it. It's about 500 megs right here. You see it there. So it goes there. Let me go ahead and close this out. So once the file is here, it's a zip file. So you do need WinRAR or 7-zip, whatever you're using. I don't have any of those programs downloaded, so I'm just going to use the normal pre-installed program that comes with your Windows. So that's the folder there. It tells you what you want to open. So just click on it again. So what you're doing mainly right now is you're decompressing the file itself. So you can just go ahead and do this and open. It doesn't really matter as long as you click. The first thing you want to click is the Vegas Pro 15 patch. I'm sorry, the trial. This is the installer. It's an execution file. So you put extract all. It tells you where do you want to extract it to. Just leave it where it is. Usually it's always going to go to the desktop. So I want to make this easy and just leave it at the desktop for now. So I'm going to put extract. It takes all the information from the compressed file, and it pops up again. It tells you this is the file that you want to use. So go ahead and click on that, and the whole folder with all the information inside of it, it's now uncompressed. So go ahead and click on the execution file, which is the installer. So go ahead and click on that. It's gonna say yes or no. It asks you, do you want to install this? Do you trust this app? You put yes. Then you select your language. So you put English, French, German, and Spanish. I go ahead and put English. Go to next. Just scroll down through this. Doesn't really matter, but I read and understand it. The user and license. You put next. So this next step is asking you where do you want to save it on your computer. I want to make sure that I run my editing software using my SSD on my desktop, so that's my C drive, so I'll leave it there. So it's going to be under program files, Vegas Pro 15. I'm going to create a shortcut on the desktop for it. I'm going to put install. So it's installing the application itself. You do not want to open it in this state because it's going to ask you for a activation key, which is the step that we are removing, or that we're bypassing by doing this tutorial. So go ahead and click on finish, and now it's important that you click on where it says Sony Vegas Pro 15 patch. By clicking on this, go ahead and put yes. By clicking on this, you are bypassing that step, and you will have Sony Vegas 15 Pro for free. Of course, this is all an educational purpose. This is just want to put that out there that this is for educational purpose. It's kind of awkward, but just put it out there. So that's gonna go on the C drive. You're gonna go ahead and put next. It's the patch running in the background. That's in Russian. This is the only screen that you'll see in another language. So go ahead and click on finish. So you can go ahead and close this window out. Doesn't really matter. So in order to prove it, there it is. It's my created desktop. I'll put it right next to my coding application. So before I had the Sony Vegas Pro 14, and I used the same method, and now I'm moving to Sony Vegas Pro 15th. The new patch came out for that, so I'm doing that. And to prove it, let me go ahead and open Sony Vegas Pro 15. You saw all the process I did, all the installation. It's pretty easy, and here you have it. You know, it'll tell you this is one of the newest patch. Update now and access new features right away. I wouldn't recommend updating right now. Just click on close and you pretty much have Vegas Pro 15th. Obviously, you can go ahead and start doing your editing and importing and rendering any media or any files that you wish to do, whatever you want to do. And again, this is the full version of it. So let me go ahead and see if I can find any recordings so you can see. There you go. That's my file there. Put it in there. Put yes. Balan. That's me. That's a recording that I have for a gameplay. So, alright, thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions, let me know. Send me a message or write it down in the comment section. Again, the reason that I did this is for educational purpose. I had Sony Vegas Pro 14. Now I'm going into 15th. I don't see a huge difference other than the background. It's a little darker. But again, if you have any questions, just let me know. Alright, you guys have a good one. Take care.